Are you tired of those pesky bugs invading your home and ruining your peace? Before you reach for that toxic bug spray, hold on. There's a better, healthier way to kick those insects to the curb, and it smells fantastic too. Did you know that kicking bugs to the curb could be as easy as raiding your aromatherapy stash? Introducing peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus as your new bug-busting squad. Let's kick things off with a combo that might surprise you. Peppermint and vodka. Yes, you heard that right, vodka. The vodka's job here is to help distribute the peppermint oil evenly, nothing more. But that doesn't mean you can't later mix a vodka cocktail for celebrating your bug-free home. To make this natural bug repellent, mix 15 to 20 drops of peppermint oil with 2 tablespoons of vodka, then add 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake well before each use. Peppermint oil is a natural insect repellent that can deter a variety of pests such as ants, spiders, and mosquitoes. The strong scent interferes with the insect's ability to communicate and navigate, driving them away. While this solution can repel roaches, it is not strong enough to kill them. The initial strong scent of peppermint oil can repel insects for several hours. Next, we have lavender oil. For this one, mix 15 to 20 drops of lavender oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake it up and you're ready to go. Its strong scent is unpleasant to many insects, helping to keep them away from treated areas. The compounds in lavender oil, such as linalool and linalool acetate, interfere with the insect's nervous systems and their ability to detect human scent. Lavender oil is particularly effective against mosquitoes, flies, and moths. The effectiveness of the lavender oil spray can last for a couple of hours after application. So, instead of spending your afternoon in a frantic bug swatting frenzy, you can kick back, relax, and take a deep, soothing breath of lavender bug repellent spray. Enjoy your peaceful nap on the porch without any uninvited, buzzing guests. Last but not least is eucalyptus oil because it's not just for repelling bugs, but eucalyptus oil can also knock them dead. Again, all it takes is 15 to 20 drops of eucalyptus oil, 1 cup of water, and a spray bottle. Eucalyptus oil helps to deter insects from entering treated areas and can kill some insects on contact. The strong scent of eucalyptus oil disrupts the insect's sensory perception, making treated areas unattractive and difficult for them to navigate. When insects come into direct contact with eucalyptus oil, it can lead to paralysis and death. Eucalyptus oil is effective against a wide range of insects, including mosquitoes, ants, fleas, spiders, flies, silverfish, and cockroaches. The repellent effect can last for several hours to a few days. The insecticide effect is permanent. So, there you have it, folks. With peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus oils, you can say goodbye to those pesky bugs without compromising your health or peace of mind. So, mix up your essential oil sprays, relax, and let nature's bug-busting squad do the work. Here's to a peaceful, refreshing, and insect-free home.